Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Hart from Unstuck Learning Design. I'm delighted just to share with you a new kind of thinking canvas, specifically around design thinking. And this digital canvas is actually designed as a student workbook. So it's there for students to work through, especially if they're working on a design thinking project. So the first slide is essentially where you would get the students to add their name and potentially their project idea. The second slide is just an overview of design thinking, which was produced by Unstuck Learning Design, and the amazing illustrations throughout this presentation are created by Rosie Brooks, who is a wonderful illustrator based in London. So please do look up Rosie and her amazing work. So on slide 3, we've got a Kanban board. So this is just a simple to-do board, but each of these numbered post-it notes or quasi post-it notes are hyperlinked to the appropriate slide within the deck to show which activities need to be completed. So complete your challenge statement to describe the problem you're tackling. You might be doing that, and then you might complete it and ask for some feedback while you then go on and work on your actors map. So the Kanban board is there just as a way to help students to organize their work and their thinking. And slide 4 is a challenge statement. What is the problem? Really, when we're looking at design thinking, we are focusing on solutions to challenges. So this is a way for students to come up with a sketch or some statements or some photos which really exemplifies and highlights their challenge. We've just got some inspirational quotes. But then, for example, here we've got the actors map. So the actors map is a way of highlighting the users and the people who are involved in the challenge, and then using hexagons to add in some information about each of these people and look to see how they connect together, and then using sticky notes to put together themes and overviews. I'll probably go through each one of these separately in a different video, but at the moment I just want to give you the big picture. Then we might have a reflection, what went well, even better off. This could be text, or indeed you could use something like Screencastify to create video reflections. Then refining your challenge, so getting the students again using text or using video. The most important thing I learned about my challenge, one surprising insight, one assumption I'd made, and one hunch I still have. Then going on to creating persona cards. So just looking at the users that you're designing the solution for. So there are a bunch of persona cards there. Ideation, just using these post-it notes. Some more reflection, 2 stars and a wish, and then using something like a impact effort matrix to organize the ideas, and some simple prototyping, so sketching and then actually taking photographs, or using a digital sketch tool to create sketches and drop into these boxes. And then some more prototyping space to kind of put your final prototype there. And then I've also got some critical and creative thinking ladders, so some rubrics describing some of the skills that have been used throughout this process. And then I've also got a page to collect some badges. And I've left a few example badges on the bottom slide here for educators. So it might be around questioning or reasoning or metacognition, possibilities, contribution. And you can create your own badges. These are not real meta tagged open credential badges. They're just literally digital stickers to share in that digital space. So have a look at this. Let me know if you think it's useful, and I think there are tons of additions I could do, and I'm going to do, and also some extra badges I want to make. But for the moment, I thought I'd get this out early and iterate as we like to do in design thinking and take some feedback. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope this is of some use.